Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure permissions and tools are ready. On your Android, confirm camera permission for the camera or Google Lens app so scanning works immediately. Once done, open the camera or Lens app and point at the QR code. Steady the phone and center the code in the frame. Why this matters? Missing permissions block automatic reading, and good lighting gives a clear image the decoder can parse, so do that before moving to the connection step. You now scan and confirm what the QR contains. Point the camera until a notification appears. Tap it to reveal the Wi-Fi SSID and security type. Make sure the SSID matches the network you expect and that the security type, WPA2, WPA3, or open, is correct, because that determines whether a password is required. If the prompt doesn't automatically connect, tap the link or Lens result to copy or view the password. You finish by connecting and checking the link quality. Tap Connect when prompted, or manually enter the displayed password into Wi-Fi settings. Allow your device to join. If it fails, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, toggle it off then on, and rescan. Sometimes a quick restart of the camera or Lens app helps. One key troubleshooting tip: if rescans don't work, inspect the QR for damage, move closer to the router, and confirm router filters like MAC filtering aren't blocking your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.